First, you must check your materials, make sure you have everything. Then you must start assembling your workspace and tools. Get bored, sit around. Look at how you assemble said birdhouse. Measure once. Measure twice, then realize they're on the sticker. Measuring again, of course. Always gotta measure twice, cut once. Must measure every board, as you can see. Girlfriend interruption. Here we are making the first cuts. After you assemble the birdhouse, you then realize that you must cut them again because the sides are wrong. So measure again. And now we gotta cut them again. And now you can actually start to assemble the birdhouse. After you pick the right sides to go on which side of the birdhouse, you can then actually start to see a square. Now you must hammer in the nails while you glue it. But since the nails won't hold, we had to get a third person to help out on this project, the girlfriend. Since the nails weren't holding, we had to actually drill pilot holes for nails in this mini birdhouse. More holes for more nails. That still weren't even working. Now, after all the nails are in, it is time to glue it. Gotta make sure there's enough glue in there because, well, it's looking pretty bad right now. And yes, the corners are off. As much as I would have liked to put a flat top on this birdhouse turned into a square, I did end up making a top for it. Steps to making a hobo birdhouse. Buy cheap wood, get drunk, assemble a square, put one open corner together, and call it a roof. Thanks to Josh Gooden for mostly making the birdhouse, and filmed and edited by Sean Stanley.